we have many rollers. Dien roller, Dien roller. For all the rolling technique, so you use it when before you put the lubrication balm or cream on the body. So you can use roller. If the pain here is not too much, it just happen maybe in the morning, and then in the afternoon you wanna release pain here. You can use only rolling technique, just using the roller all over here, neck, and the pain can be gone. You don't need to use many steps like this. The big Dien rollers are these ones. So we use, but remember here, we always apply the gentle pressure, gentle stimulation, then getting stronger. Do not go stronger at the first moment. Or maybe your pain is here, but you do the same. All these the same step. So now you know how to do it. Okay. First, before you using the massage tester, putting on the bars, you can use this. The Dien roller, big Dien roller, and big Dien roller. And this is my lessons about releasing, easing the pain, the neck pain, the back pain, the shoulder pain, or any pain around the back or on the spine. So you can flexible change the steps, or maybe you don't need all of the steps. Okay? Remember, first, if the pain is not much, it's less, you can use rolling technique. Okay? Using the roller. Big Dien roller, big Dien roller, the roller for